Hey all, this is Aaron, one of the founders of Avid CNC, originally CNC Router Parts. Back in 2008, when Eric and I started this company, neither of us knew exactly where it would lead. We were mostly developing products for CNC enthusiasts like myself. We discovered that there was a larger community than we thought interested in a flexible, modular CNC machine architecture, and that the parts we developed were enabling a diverse community of makers. Building on our parts business, we were soon delivering complete machine kits, and as demand surged, we decided to rebrand as Avid CNC with a mission to offer professional quality, customizable, and affordable machines while retaining our do-it-yourself heritage. 15 years in, we couldn't be more proud to be a part of the CNC community. Our passion drives us every single day as we proudly serve a wide variety of makers, side hustlers starting their first businesses, educators, artists, production shops, and researchers at institutions like the FDA, NASA, and Blue Origin. It's been an amazing 15 years. Here's to many more years of making CNC fun and accessible to everyone.